pioneer in magnetic stripe technology. Since 1984, Rinas Gerätetechnik GmbH has been a leading innovator and driving influence behind sophisticated magnetic stripe technologies within the card manufacturing and system integration marketplaces. Rinas maintains a clear and highly focused corporate engineering strategy that concentrates on developing and manufacturing high-precision OEM and standalone card encoding systems for magnetic, RFID and chip cards. Regardless whether standard or bespoke system solutions are required, Rinas develops all of them to the highest degree of precision. From the initial circuit diagram concept to the layout of the complete circuit board. From mechanical construction and customized software development to the assembly of complex modules and devices. Mechanical components are produced in-house using state-of-the-art CNC 5-axis technology, ensuring maximum vertical integration while maintaining control of the complete manufacturing cycle. If you need to encode, print, scan or sort industry standard or customized card and ticket formats, then Rinas is your one-stop shop for magnet, RFID or smart cards encoding solutions with scan and print functionality, multi-RFID encoding systems for paper and plastic cards, card personalization printing units, or scanning solutions for 1D, 2D codes and OCR text recognition. Under the skillful management of Wilfried and Armin Rinas, customers benefit from the very same long-standing experience, expertise and forward-looking perspectives. Rinas Gerätetechnik, your partner of choice when it comes to innovative encoding systems worldwide.